How to access Truist customer support online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need help with Truist banking, well here is how to access customer support online. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Truist Bank. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Truist Bank. Now here, you can simply log in with your credential and once logged in, you can just scroll down to the bottom of the page and there you can just click on the option labeled as contact us or the customer support. And here once you do that, on the next page, you can secure the message via your online banking dashboard, live chat for instant help, email form to submit questions, phone number for direct calls. So there you can fill out details if needed, and for secure message or emails you can provide your account info, issue details and preferred contact method. And once you're done with that, you can just click send or start chat and responses will usually come quickly through secure message or email. And that's it. Truist online support is just a few clicks away anytime you need help. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.